Right, factorization and expanding brackets are linked. Okay, so if we've got something like 3x plus 12, when we factorize that, we get 3 and then brackets x plus 4. Okay, so if we're going from the left hand side expression to the right hand side expression, that means we're factorizing. But when we go from the right hand side expression back to the left hand side expression, that's known as expanding brackets. Right? So the two topics are linked. Yeah? Expanding brackets and factorizing are linked. Both sides of the equal sign are equivalent. The only thing that's changed is the form in which those expressions have been written. Yeah? But they are equivalent on each side of the equal sign. So expanding brackets when we're going from left to right, and factorizing when we're going from right to left.